everything is really connected, and it's connected by energy. So when I see an opal, it may remind me of a beautiful plant that I've seen, or I may see a geode that looks like the night sky. So what I try to do in my process is kind of stay out of nature's way. I want to foil the stone in the best possible manner without really interrupting it. I'm amazed at all these beautiful stones that come completely naturally out of the ground, whether it's a cobalto calcite, which is a rich, vibrant pink. Opals amaze me. Same thing with geodes. They're just fascinating. Even though they're not traditionally known as, materials for fine jewelry, they're actually, in many cases, more rare than, say, a diamond or an emerald. We have always used 18-karat gold in my entire collection. I feel like it's the perfect way to sort of envelope these precious stones. It has just an energy that no other metal that I've ever worked with has.